Welcome back. Welcome back after this brief break. As we move on to the next session, the next panel discussion is about the innovations in governance. But before we come to the next panel discussion, we have one more industry presentation from another one eminent industry partner, NetApp India. NetApp India is also has been an instrumental partner in various government of India schemes as well as state government schemes. So we have a presentation from Mr. Krishan Parmar. Krishan Parmar has 19 years of industry experience, specializing in architecting data management solutions. He has been working with NAPAP India for last 7 years, and currently he is leading the solution engineering team for the government vertical. So please join me in welcoming Krishan Parmar from NetApp India. Krishan Parmar will just take us a short overview of what are the technological solutions by NetApp India which can help in transformation of the new India. Over to you, Mr. Krishan Parmar. Can I have Mr. Krishan Parmar on the show?
Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Krishan Parmar and I work with NetApp India. I'm part of solution engineering team and primarily responsible to build solutions for our customers and partners in government vertical. So NetApp is a hybrid cloud data services company. NetApp is a 5 billion Fortune 500 company which was founded in 1992 and headquartered in Sunnyvale, California with 10,000 plus employees and 90 plus offices in 30 countries. We are privileged to serve more than 38,000 plus customers around the world, offering industry leading cloud and enterprise data centers solutions and services. We help our customers ensure that their data and applications are in the right place at the right time with the right characteristics and capabilities in order to achieve new insight and to accelerate innovation. We do this by helping them build their data fabrics. And today, we'll talk about why data fabric is so important for the various organizations across industry verticals who are looking for a digital transformation, which is a critical for their data management. So before we get into more details of what data fabric technology is and what it would be its relevance in today's world, let me quickly take you through a 28-year of customer-focused innovation at NetApp. NetApp, who owned various patents, started its journey with storage solution with write anywhere file layout in 1992 and first product shipped in 1993. Post that, NetApp continued its investment in R&D and had various innovations which resulted in better data management experience for our customers. NetApp became the first vendor to offer a true unified platform which had the capabilities to deliver block and file protocols at the same time. In fact, today we offer block, file, and the newer object capabilities through a single software code, either on-prem or in the cloud. And we are the first data management company to do so. Though our investments in the technology resulted in our success in serving customers across globe, however, one of the major technology innovation was set as a vision in 2015 by our current CEO, George Kurian. This vision was to offer a seamless access of data across hybrid cloud. And today, under this vision, we have our data fabric product solutions and services. Today, data is heart of every business. New technologies impact every discipline, economy, and industry. Technologies like AI and IoT are going mainstream, and they generate and depend on vast amount of data. According to IDC, 40% of the companies today have a chief analytical officer and 47% have a chief data officer. It clearly indicates that harnessing data is the new key competitive advantage in today's world. From government perspective, Let us take an example of Ayushman Bharat scheme. Under this scheme, Government of India is to provide free access to health care of 40% or 560 million people of this country. Think about the health data which is not only needed to store but to be made available across or between various health organizations to provide better coverage and services to the citizens. This capability of harnessing data and drive is the driving digital transformation, which is not only very important in the private sector but has become more important for the governments of today. The various projects undertaken by the government to provide citizen services may focus one or more of the outcomes. To start with, it may establish new citizen or service touchpoints, using data to optimize and provide more effective citizen services. Look for a new innovative ways to touch majority of citizens so that they can get benefited by new schemes launched with Government of India. And of course, optimize the service delivery methodology, ways and means to reduce cost, so to be agile and avoid vendor lock-in. And lastly, ensuring best utilization of the funds available under those schemes. The project or schemes that put data at the heart of their imperative, or the project of schemes that are data driven get better results than the others. And what initiatives we would call as winner while either adopting new technology or going through a digital transformation. There are two major factors to determine this. The adoption of an underlying framework that allows the departments to have the ability to move fast, to innovate, to react, and be nimble. The second is the ability to access data and resources that live anywhere and everywhere, though accessed based on valid authorization and authentication. So, to achieve these abilities, IT transformation is required. Overwhelmingly, the customers to whom we are talked to tell us that the only way to deliver the speed is to provide access to data and resources anywhere is to transform IT. But what this transformation entails? So, companies are focused on the three IT imperatives. The first is finding ways to modernize and simplify IT. This is about finding ways to run the current IT application environment more efficiently. It involves optimizing and future proofing the infrastructure with higher performing cloud integrated technologies and converged infrastructures. NetApp offers simplicity, speed, and automation across the core, edge, and cloud, and full range of tools and capabilities that you will need, such as a powerful cloud integrated all flash storage. Second is building private clouds. The need to grow by adding new capabilities to the current environment, delivering new applications and services faster, and running existing workloads more efficiently. Essentially, building a foundation that brings the power of cloud native data services on premises. NetApp offers this foundation with the real performance and scale. Finally, there is the need to fuel innovation on a choice of cloud, and this is about transforming by adopting new cloud based capabilities, leaving the cloud resources that are best for the business and simplifying the complexity of managing data across multiple public clouds and on premises. NetApp helps you by enabling faster deployment. NetApp enable faster deployment, higher performance, and a single experience across hyperscalers, GCC clouds, and CSPs. As you address these IT imperatives with NetApp, you will be moving forward in building your own data fabric architecture. And building your data fabric is the key to enabling IT to address critical objectives. I'm sure few of the below objectives are very familiar to you, and would sit in your priority list. Realize the promise of cloud. Deliver the public cloud experiences on the premises. Fuel your enterprise application. Develop and deploy your application faster. Accelerate your journey to AI. So we are the only company to offer the full range of capabilities that you need to build and manage your unique data fabric, to be able to fully discover, integrate, automate, optimize, protect, and secure your data application and resources. The data fabrics gives you a common framework to simplify the integration and orchestration of data services across your choice of clouds, meaning that your data and applications are in the right place at the right time with the right characteristics and capabilities to fuel innovation. And when you build your data fabric with NetApp, you can also consume, manage, and pay for services in the way that you want to. We offer powerful capabilities for public and private cloud, including data services, cloud and application controls, and analytics. And NetApp Fabric Orchestrator provides an extensible cloud service that help you create and manage your data across your hybrid multi-cloud environment. The Fabric Orchestrator discovers your data, application, and services by securely connecting to public, private, and on-premise providers. It unites all your assets behind a unified data fabric API with a single user interface. It enables teams to collaborate on data. It organizes it, to protect it, to secure, orchestrate, and integrate it. There is also a rich data tagging and labeling solution. And finally, it can automate best practices and compliance rules across your data fabric. Here are the various services we offer today as part of data fabric capabilities. Starting at the center, where we have on-premise single instance for file, block, and object deployment, either based on all-flash high-performance storages or high-density storages. Today, we have the capabilities to move the data across multiple locations within private cloud of the customer or to GCC cloud or to hyperscalers. The native capabilities to move the data from production to object-based data lakes offer a single source of access to data may be deployed across multiple locations. Today, NetApp is uniquely positioned not only to offer its on-premise solutions in cloud, but also have native cloud service directly offered by hyperscalers like ANF from Azure, CVO, which is a NetApp software defined instances in the cloud having various use cases. NetApp is definitely looking for next generation cloud options, including capabilities to provide cloud services not only to backup Office 365 and Salesforce, but also offer a virtual desktop services. With ever growing demand of containerizing the application, NetApp is the first data management company to provide data mobility of Kubernetes clusters. However, ultimately, it is important to have insights into IT infrastructure for its efficient usage. NetApp Insight, analytics and monitoring capabilities allow cluster to manage their hybrid cloud environment, whereas cloud services like Spot help to bring efficiencies while consuming cloud resources. So when you work with NetApp to make progress on any of your IT imperatives, actually you are establishing the foundation for building your data fabric. It helps organizations to develop an architecture offering a single and seamless access of data across on-prem or on cloud. NetApp Data Fabric will enable your IT to have your data at the right place, ensuring you drive the most value of it, which is critical for any project or scheme need to be delivered to the citizens. That is all from my end. Thank you for your time. This is Krishan Parmar from NetApp, and you all have a good day ahead. Thank you so much.
Yeah, that was Mr. Kishan Parmar from NetApp. Thank you, Mr. Parmar, for giving your overview of what all technological solutions NetApp to offer in this partnership with the government as well as with the industry. So I would request my backend team to share the speaker certificate with Mr. Kishan Parmar of NetApp. So thank you, Mr. Kishan Parmar, once again for sharing your thoughts and as well as also for sharing the various solutions in the digital field which NetApp has got for the technological advancement of the society as a whole. So with this, we move on to the next panel discussion of the day. The next panel discussion will start at 11:30, and the topic of the next panel discussion is a very interesting topic on creating responsive, resilient, and future-ready governments. As we move on, as I was discussing, as we move on, how do we create future-ready governments which are proactive, which can anticipate the requirements of the citizens in advance, and which can act on a timely manner address the citizenship grievances. So we'll be having a very eminent panels from different departments of the government, and we'll start that panel at 11:30. So see you at 11:30. Thank you.